Okay, I'm going to show you how it's done to take this refrigerator off the top of these other two. Of course, the idea is to get it down without damaging the good one. The one on the bottom is actually a bad refrigerator, so don't worry about it. That's it. Lighter than snow appliances. Todd Frederick showing you how to easily take down a refrigerator from on top of another set of appliances. Refrigerators at that. All right, call us up, order up your refrigerator. Of course, we'll safely deliver it into your home and not bang anything up. Have a good day.